everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching this video. It definitely means a lot to me. This is so crazy to be filming. I have never thought that I would actually be going through with this, but I am. It's something that I've always wanted to do. I've just never taken the time out and just dedicated myself to it. So we are finally here. I have a ton of awesome stuff to share with you guys. Everything from makeup to fitness to skincare, everything that deals with your appearance. I'm about it. Just taking a little bit of time out for yourself. So I'm here to bring in all of the things that inspire me to share with you in hopes that something may inspire you as well. So if you haven't already done so, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because that is going to help me tremendously. So I definitely appreciate everything and I look forward to going on this journey with you. Thank you guys.